Hey guys, Leg here. Quick video to show you how to check for oil leaks. I'm doing this on my 2007 Dodge Charger, but the idea will be the same for any cars. The way I'm going to be doing this is using this UV dye leak detection liquid, and you also need an ultraviolet light, which I picked up on Amazon or eBay, I believe, for about $7. Because if you pick this up at AutoZone, they sell a small one for about 27. So if you're not in a rush to do this, order online will be a lot cheaper. I believe the dye was about $7. And basically this 1 ounce bottle is enough to do up to 5 quarts of oil, which is about what this car takes. So we're gonna pour this into our oil, let the car run for about 15 or so minutes, or go for a test drive to let everything heat up and circulate through, and then we're gonna start checking for leaks. But before that, honestly, you wanna even start checking now to see if you see any like residue oil leaks anywhere around your engine. Which this is just dirt, but you wanna check, work your way from the top down. You want to fix any top leaks first before you get to the bottom, before you oil pan. I checked the oil pan already. Oil pan is fine, so it's not that, but we're gonna take a look anyway after we do the liquid. So pour in the liquid and start checking. So we're going to empty the whole bottle into our oil. Wear gloves, who knows what the heck this stuff contains. Show you the color dye. It's either yellow or greenish. They say it's going to turn bright yellow. That's what we're going to be looking for leaking out. Start the car and we wait. To go for a test drive, do that as well. The noise you're hearing is because I have a cracked header. That's another video I'll be doing how to replace headers on this car. So we ran the car for about 15 or so minutes, and now we basically grab our light and we just start checking top all the way to the bottom for any possible leaks. And my car, I'm going to start right here because I see, already like grease, more just dirt here. But looking right from the top, I'm not seeing any yellow dye, which is a good sign. Start checking down here. Basically go all around anywhere possible you could have oil leak. And I'm gonna do this all over. I'm gonna check the oil pan. And yeah. Another thing I wanted to mention, in this car specifically, PCV valve. It's located right down here, right in there. And that should be replaced too after some period of time. That can cause pressure buildup, and it's definitely associated with oil leaks. So if you're dealing with oil leaks, definitely something you want to replace as well. I'm gonna do a separate video on that because I have to order the part. But I'll check the oil pan, the rest of the engine, and let you guys know how it went. So hard to show you, but oil pan's over here. I checked all around, and everything looks good here as well. So yeah. So guys, no oil leaks detected. Good sign from me. No gaskets to replace. One thing I am going to replace is the PCV valve I mentioned. Definitely been a while since I had that changed, so I want to replace it. So I'll do a follow-up video on that. I'm also going to be doing a video on how to replace headers on this car, as one of my headers has a crack in it over here, hard to see. So I'm going to be replacing that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful. Good luck on your own car, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.